Flow. Flow is something that's so important in belly dancing, especially when you are dancing to those really beautiful slow melodies. It's also something that I've been working on in my classes lately, so if you want to learn a fun combination to practice your flow, please keep watching. Hi Shimmy Shakers, welcome back to Dancer Diaries, and if you are new here, please make sure you check out my channel. I have lots of tutorials on belly dancing technique as well as discussions about being a belly dancer. If you have any questions, make sure you post in the comments and always give this video a thumbs up. So what are we doing today? It's a little bit of a circle combination. So you would have seen the other week I posted a video about our big circles. So these ones, really beautiful move. It's actually very simple, but people often overcomplicate it. So if you haven't seen that one or mastered that one, please watch that video first. I will link that below. And the combination we're doing today is using that circle, a little circle, a turn, and a figure eight. So as I said, all about flowing one move into another. I did this in a choreography recently, so if you are on my Instagram, you might have seen this, so you can check it out there to music. The combination is coming around. So as you can see, one move just flows into another. I just really love this combination. I hadn't really done it before until I heard it with that music, and I thought, oh, it just goes together so well. So what are we doing? First of all, as always, starting with our good posture, feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up. We're just doing little circles around. So changing your weight in your feet as you do your little circles. So I've got one little circle, then we have one big circle. For our big circle, we're just stepping that foot out in the same direction that we're going and bringing the hips forward and back. Again, you can watch the tutorial on this one if you haven't seen it yet. And then our turn, so a 3-step turn, coming around. And if you like, if you're feeling confident, it's nice to add the hip in to that turn. From there, all it is a very simple figure eight. So horizontal, figure eight, right, and then left. So bringing the combination all together, I'll start this way because it moves to the side. I'm doing the circles the same way every single time. So if I'm looking down at my feet at the moment, I'm doing my circle clockwise, I'm stepping out, I'm doing it clockwise, I'm turning around clockwise, and then 8, 8, and then other way. Little circle, big circle, around, 8, 8. So whichever way you are going, that is the direction that you always start to first. I'll show you again. So I hope you like this combination. I had a lot of fun putting this one together because, as I said, it really flows one movement into another. If you're watching it, you don't know where the one circle starts, where one finishes, where the turn finishes, what point goes into what movement. Anyway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and happy dancing.